Hi, I'm Ann Perez. I'm the Director of Guidance, and welcome to our virtual open house, something different this year for sure. Joining me in the guidance department is Mrs. Kim Petrosyan, our college counselor, and Mrs. Terry Smeraglio, our guidance assistant. At Villa, we really get to know your daughters very well over the course of 4 years, with individual meetings for check-ins, for course selection, and a variety of other events that we sponsor. College preparation is always a large piece of it, offering standardized testing with the PSAT and test prep as well. We also enjoy many college admissions counselors coming to our campus in the fall to talk with your daughters and answer their questions about their institutions. We like to embrace an open door policy, meaning that if anything comes up, a question, a concern, your daughters can feel free to just come to guidance, and you are also welcome to call or email us. So there's lots more that we have to offer. I'm going to pass it along to our college counselor, Mrs. Kim Petrosyan, next. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kim Petrosyan. I'm the college counselor here at Villa. I work primarily with the juniors and seniors on developing their college plans. We host a college planning night for Villa students and families in order to provide an overview of the college planning process, as well as inviting a panel of college admissions counselors to answer any questions families may have about the process. We have coffee talks, which are informal sessions for families in order to just ask any questions they may have about the college planning process. Students are also given plenty of opportunities to prepare themselves for standardized testing, including taking the PSAT sophomore and junior year, as well as a practice SAT, ACT during their junior year. Princeton Review does come in and hosts a course to help students prepare for the SATs. And in general, we offer a comprehensive program to help your daughters and you prepare for the college application and selection process. Here's Terry for more information from our department.
Hi, my name is Terry Smeraglio. I work in the guidance department at Villa. My role there is to support Mrs. Perez and Mrs. Bedrosian in all their administrative needs, as well as coordinate many of the programs that we offer to our girls. Most importantly, know that our doors are always open in the guidance department for our students.